God bless you. Part of the dream is the new project you and I have the ability to farm because we're early and they are a blockchain based project and they aim to tokenize horse racing, giving us accessible ownership. And well, at the end of the day, you and I will have the opportunity to farm these endpoints and the points will be converted to the token. Okay, now if we head over to the website again, do not just use any type of website. I'll be leaving that in the description box of the video, but if you can look them up on Twitter. This is the official handle, and then over on the official page you will find the URL and it will bring you over to the official website. And on the official website it says that during the exclusive sale, the POD token is sold for $1. Okay, however, I have information from a very reliable source that the listing price for this token come TGE is going to be at $2. We do not know how this is. We can pretty much say this is speculation, but why wait till afterwards to find out whether or not it became through when you and I are early and we can farm this? So everything you need to get started, we're going to talk about that in the video, and let us jump right into the business for today. So now we are here on the screen. I have actually logged into the farming or the quest page, which is the dreamerquest.partofdream.io. And in order for you to have access, well, someone needs to refer you. And thankfully, as a member of the Overworks community, you're going to be finding my referral link in the description box of the video. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a screen that will show you 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, and on top of those you're going to find log in with your Twitter. So Twitter is the way to log in and ensure you have your Twitter account active, and when you do, there's going to be some API calls back and forth, verify, validate your X account, and then you'll be granted access. So when you're granted access, what do you need to do? Remember, they are going to be converting the points. Now we have 3 ways to earn points that will convert to the TG, the POD token at TG, which is the way we get the rewards. Number 1 is to invite your friends, and when you do, when you invite your friends, you earn 300 points and then you get 10% of their points as well. And currently I've done 6. You can actually take this and take it all the way up. The second way to earn is you have to do the daily spin, and then the third way is to claim the daily bonus. I think there are some timelines in between this, but however, you need to get on this as soon as possible. And for the first timers, when you join, you will need to complete the starter tasks as well. As you can see, I have 2 starter tasks pending, which is to like this tweet and then to join the Telegram channel, and collectively I will earn 60 points. And if we scroll down, you're going to see some of the tasks that I have completed. It's that simple. It's really easy. And then the other way to boost your earnings is to create posts, and when you get engagements in these posts, it will be tracked and you'll be getting points as well. Now the good part of this is I have intentionally left my daily activities to do them because I wanted to make this video so you guys can actually see how I do these things in real time. Now the first one we're going to do for today is to spin, and then after that we'll spin, we'll claim, and then lastly I'm going to touch on the challenge with you connecting your wallet. Please ensure you connect your wallet so that you're going to be eligible for the rewards. Is you would have to do that from a computer. Okay, so first things first is let us do the spin. Now the way to do the spin is very simple. You come here and just click on the spin, and this will run. It will run and it will stop wherever the chips fall, and hopefully I get probably 300 to 1,000 points. Ouch, I got 10 points. Okay, that's fine, thank you very much. Now before we talk about the claiming people, let us go back to Overworks and hear a brief of the information I have to share. So welcome to Overworks. This is the home of technical videos concerning testnets, airdrops, literally starting off in Web3 with $0 and growing your portfolio, making money. I have done that myself, and a couple of other guys in our community have done that as well. We did that with Kato, and we've done that with Soso, We've also done that with Walrus, and Walrus is yet to launch. If you find this really interesting, all you have to do is to subscribe and go through all the videos that we have. Okay, so you can see for Soso, you can see for Monad, you can see for Term Finance. These are some of the projects we're interacting with. And when we do this, we position early. Some of these projects are completely zero. They require zero investment, which means you and I will have the opportunity to build phenomenal wealth or portfolio from $0. And if you find this interesting, again, all you have to do is subscribe so that when future videos like this come up, you will be the first to know. Now, the second part of the information is we also have community on X, which is my personal profile, as well as a community on Telegram. So what we do on Telegram is real simple. Making videos and creating threads are two different lights. However, there are time sensitive informations that come into our possession, and within the time frame we need to execute that information. It's not just feasible to want to record a video. So in such cases, we'll create a thread and then put it out in the community so our members can get in early. And the case was it for some of the projects we've interacted with. So why not join us on Telegram, follow the conversations, follow me on X, subscribe to Overworks, and you will be the first to know. And like I said, if any of this interests you, because we break down the technicalities around blockchain, testnets, how to interact, and some of the questions and challenges that you will have. So why not join us, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. And once we're done, we can go back to the conversation on pod. So now the next is to click on the claim, and that will claim 50 points for us. As you can see, I'm doing a total of 4.2k points and now 4.3. Okay, so my next spin is around 3 hours 3 minutes, as you can see the timer here. Now, speaking to the problem of you connecting your wallet, which is this task right here, you might not be able to do that from your mobile device if you're using your MySS browser or your Kiwi browser. I don't know, but I have done this myself and it was absolute headache. It was difficult for me to do that. So what you guys need to do is to come up to your computer like I am doing right now, and you're going to click on the task that says connect your wallet. So when you click on the task, the way it works is you're going to click on the claim button and a dialog box will pop up that says start the task. You cannot verify the task if you haven't started the quest and completed the quest, and then you can come to verify so that the bot or the checker can check if you've actually completed the action. So let me take a guess. I just claimed now. Let me try to claim again. Oh wow. Okay, I don't know if that will work. Oh, interesting. I claimed before and I claimed again. Really? Okay. So when you click on the wallet, it says connect to a popular wallet. I've already connected mine, so you can just click on MetaMask. Now, this will bring us to the next conversation that I have always talked about in the community, which is sometimes MetaMask has breakage in connection. So what you guys would do is to install your Rabi wallet extension. This is it right here. So you have to go to your Chrome extension on your computer browser. If you already have your MetaMask wallet, what you need to do is to get the seed phrase of your MetaMask wallet, download the Rabi wallet extension, and when you open it for the first time, it will ask you to create a new wallet, or do you have an already existing wallet, or you want to import from seed phrase. So the option you will go with is I want to import from seed phrase, and when you click on that, it is going to open a box where you can actually impute the seed phrase of your MetaMask wallet address. So when you punch in or you paste in the address from your MetaMask wallet address, the seed phrase on MetaMask wallet address, and you click done, it's going to pull up the wallet addresses associated with that seed phrase. It will show you everything, the history, what you have in those wallet address, and if you want to activate anyone, because for every seed phrase, every seed phrase created on MetaMask, I think the max account you can have per seed phrase, I think, is around 10 accounts, but you're going to see all of them in the list. and you can just decide which one you want to toggle on, which one you want to toggle off. Really, it's that simple. So that going forward, even if you click on MetaMask, the connection will call the Rabbit wallet extension, and in the event that it doesn't call the Rabbit wallet extension, don't worry, it will. And even if it doesn't and it still fetches your MetaMask wallet, it's still the same thing. The reason is because the same seed phrase wallet that is running on your MetaMask is the same you have imported to Rabbit wallet extension. I don't know if this explanation have brought clarity to some of our community members who struggle with this, but if you understood what I have said so far, then please, why not like the video, subscribe if you haven't, turn on the bell notification, and at this junction I will humbly bring the video to a close. Remember, you need to do this checking in every single day to stack up the points. Thank you guys, I love you, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Remember to join the Telegram community as well. Bye for now.